First step, dye your hair pink, or you could just buy a wig. Dry your hair once you have rinsed out the dye. Color your nails pink. Pink is the gem color to have. Put on some foundation. Blend it in. Apply a setting powder. Pink blush. A little bit of highlighter. And some bronzer just to give some dimension to your face. With a small brush, get some eyeshadow and carve out your eyebrows. I'm using blue. We're not going for a realistic look here, are we? Now cover your eye in as much pink eyeshadow as you possibly can. When carving out the shape, take your time, and then we want to fill and pack it in as much as we can. Add another color like purple just to give a little bit of shape, and some extra highlighter just to make that line really crisp, and blend it out to soften the edges. Now comes the fun part. It's time to get our glitter on. Get some glitter primer and stick that glitter to your eye socket. I'm going in with a chunky glitter on my eyelid and a fine glitter for around the rest of my eye and down below my eye on my cheekbone. Have fun with it. If less is more, then think about how much more would be. It's eyeliner time. So I just do a little bit of a flick on each eye and apply some mascara. I can't be bothered with false eyelashes, but if you want to do them, you do you. And then I put a little bit of eyeshadow underneath my eye, and I just pat it gently on my crease just to give a little bit more dimension once the glitter's on. Meanwhile, this is also happening. Now it's time to do the lips. First, I'm applying some lip liner around the edges of my lips, and then I color the entire lip in. This will make your lipstick stay much longer. And apply your favorite pink lipstick. Okay, we're looking good, but we've got the wrong earrings on. So what do we need? Gemstar earrings. Yes. It's showtime, Synergy. And just like that, you are now Jim from Jim and the Holograms. Now dance and sing and live your best life. Uh-oh.